Day 253, meditation on jealousy. There is a kind of jealousy which seems to me to be more justifiable, even though it is still a negative emotion. That is the jealousy felt in a couple when one partner's trust has been betrayed by the other. Suppose two people who really love each other decide to live together, get on well, trust each other completely, have children, and that one day one of them takes a lover or a mistress. One can easily understand that the other partner feels distressed. The jealous party may share some responsibility for the situation too. One person told me how he got married, but how, as he and his wife became more intimate and got to know each other better, he had felt more and more apprehensive and even averse to the idea that they would know everything about each other. Tension grew between them, and his wife left to live with another man. His reaction surprised me. When two people live together, it is quite normal that they should both become closer and closer. And the closer you are, the less you need to have secrets. Isn't it nice to be able to confide in someone completely? And isn't it ridiculous not to trust one's partner once one is married? If from the outset one has mistrust, then isn't it logical that the other person will look elsewhere for what he or she cannot find at home? Wise words.